If you're having problems with your KitchenAid dishwasher and it has the clean light blinking, well, there are a few things that you could do. So first is you want to start by watching how the light blinks. Now, don't ignore the pattern. Now, count how many times it blinks before it pauses and repeats. That number usually points to what's causing the problem. Now, for example, 7 flashes and a pause, often related to heating issues. Now, this helps narrow down what you're dealing with before you start fixing anything. And also, you may want to try a simple reset here before doing anything else. So sometimes the control board just needs a quick reset. So in most KitchenAid dishwashers, you can do this by pressing high temp wash, then go to heated dry, then high temp wash, then heated dry in that order. Now you'll see all the lights turn on solid for a few moments. Then that's a good sign. Then press cancel or drain to clear it. If the light stops blinking afterwards, that usually solves it. Now, in this case, next thing they want to do is you want to make sure the water is hot and flowing properly. Now, if the reset doesn't work, the issue could be with your water supply. Run your KitchenAid sink until the water is hot, then start a new dishwasher cycle. The machine needs hot water early in the wash. If it's too cold or the pressure is weak, it might trigger the clean light again. Now, if the light keeps flashing, it could point to a faulty part. Now, common causes include a broken heating element here, a bad thermostat, a loose door latch, or a clogged water valve. These parts affect how your dishwasher heats and cycles water. So even one faulty piece can cause the clean light to blink. Now, if you are comfortable inspecting the parts yourself, cut the power first. Either unplug it or switch off the circuit breaker. Then you can safely check for loose wires, corrosion, or test parts like the heater using a multimeter or if you have one. Now, if the light keeps blinking even after resetting and checking everything here, it's best to call a technician. Now, a KitchenAid repair expert can pinpoint whether it's a control board or another hidden fault. Sometimes it's just not worth guessing the risk making it worse. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.